This is Ninja Foodie digital air fryer. Original price $179.99, but you can get this item after 30% off $149.99. So you can get this item online as well as in the warehouse. So this is another thing here in Costco. I really like it. That is creamy, comfortable, completely customizable, lower sugar things. You can make it from here. It's an ice cream maker. Original price is $179.99, but you can get this item in $139.99. You can create your own ice cream recipes. Delicious. Yum yum yum. So it is available on Costco.com, also warehouse, as well as in the online also. So this is Keurig K Supreme Plus single serve coffee maker. Original price is $139.99. So this is the single coffee maker machine. If you are single, that is very useful for you. You can pour it here and then get the coffee from here. Nice and comfortable also. Customize your cup, programmable, and 5-cup size. You can get it from this machine. So if you like this product, then you can order it online as well as from the Costco, and its price is $139.99. Food saver vacuum sealing system. So you can see that, and you can seal your food. Original price is $99.99. You can save $25 on this product, and now you can get this one in $74.99. Sweet deal. Beautiful Christmas present. You can see that. Large dinnerware. 4 plates, 4 small plates, 4 dia, and 4 mugs available here in this set, and 16 pieces dinnerware set is this. And if you like this product, you can get this one is in $50.99. Oh sorry, $49.99. It means you need to pay $50 for this product, and it comes with 16 pieces. Stoneware server bowls. This is very useful. I have this thing in my home also. It's very beautiful and useful. So oven and bake purpose, if you want to use this one, it comes with 4-pack and $15.99. The original price is here. You can get this item online also, and you can also take it from Costco in person. Yeah. Melamine serving bowl, very reasonable, $9.99. It comes with this much big bowl with serving spoon, and also these small bowls with that. No, it comes with only the fork one and the spoon, serving spoon, and this one big bowl. Kids dinnerware munchkin, 18 pieces. You can see that. Wow, it's very good deal. You can get it at $19.99, and you can get 4 plates, 4 cups, 4 bowls, 3 forks, 3 spoons, and ergonomic design and BPA free. Microsoft Save. It's a good deal. Nice, and its price is $19.99. Again, reasonable, sweet deal. So Kirkland signature 12 pieces non-stick cookware set. Original price, it's original only, no discount, $149.99. 12 pieces non-stick cookware. Comes with, let's see, comes with 7 pans, 5 lids, tempered glass lids, stainless steel, PFA OA free, oven safe, not inductions ready, and hand wash recommendation is here. Non-stick, hard, anodized. So these all are the details of this product. If you like it, then we can get it from online also, and also you can give that order and you can get it from the warehouse. So if you like this video, please share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again with new deals and with new discounts, and save your money. Thank you, and please subscribe my channel.